Welcome home to 316 Fallen Oak Drive in the Woodlake Subdivision in Northeast Columbia. I'm Linda Hall, Realtor with Coldwell Banker, hosting an open house today. Just want to show you around a little bit. It's a wonderful home. Nice large front porch with a nice view of the wonderful neighborhood in Woodlake. Up on entering, you see the nice classic wood floors, wonderful color for any decor. And these two front rooms could be used as you would like. Dining room, living room, office, bay window. Half bath on the bottom floor. Also a very convenient wet bar right off of the den and the kitchen. Storage. Fireplace right between the lovely view of this wonderful backyard. This is about 0.45 of an acre. Very nice kitchen space with a new Kenmore range. Eat-in space, again with your wonderful view. Back here to the garage and the mudroom, laundry room with some nice storage and extra space. And a brief step out onto the back deck. And you can see the wonderful space, the fenced-in backyard, family, small children, pets. Hard to find this much space. And up the stairs, which are kind of on the side back of the house. This is a nice plus. And then you have some nice storage display area. And there are 3 bedrooms plus 2 nice sized bedrooms with closets right here. And I say plus because there is a bonus room just down one step, but it can be used as a bedroom, and it does have a closet. Nice light, nice huge space. With a full bath, 2 lavatories, another plus. And to the left of the stairs, the master bedroom. With its suite bath. Separate tub and shower. Also 2 vanities. And a nice size walk-in closet space in the master.